How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnant, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Telegram not sending code. Now if you're trying to log into Telegram and you have entered your phone number and you're not getting the code at all, the login code, then here's how you can fix it. Now the issue might be that you have entered in the phone number wrongly, so you want to check that you have entered the phone number correctly. Second is the country code and phone number. You want to type it correctly, and once you've done so, if you're not getting the code, then what you want to do is you want to ensure that you have proper network connection, your SIM card connection, your network connection. However, if that is not the issue, then it might be that your account is logged in on some other account or some other devices. So it might be that your account is logged in on your browser, on your phone, or some other devices. If your account is logged in on other devices or another browser, then what it does is once you get the login code will be sent into your account instead of the SIM card or the phone number. So here you can see I have got plenty of Telegram codes. So if someone was trying to log into my account, so if you try to log into your account when your account is already logged in somewhere, then the code will be sent to your account instead of the SIM. So you want to check that. So this way you can fix Telegram not sending code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.